We're making it out today, and as you can tell, you are actually seeing me because we are going to take the school bus to get some new tires. It's going to be about an hour drive one way, but yeah, I don't know. I'm just going to bring you guys along and see what we can capture during this trip. So, hope you guys enjoy. Lovely. Finally made it here. Took a little bit longer because once again the school bus batteries were dead, but got it jumped, drove it here, got fuel, and yeah, it started every time. Seems good now, but we were probably still going to get new batteries before we get on the trip, but got to pull it over there so they can do the tires. Just got the tires put on the school bus. I'm gonna set this here while I lock the door. And yeah, so now we are off to Home Depot to get some more wood. So I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear this with the bus being on, but just met two kids that were riding bikes up and down the road watching the school bus get worked on and watching me pull out. So I gave them some business cards that I have made, which I will also need to show you guys, which I will try to remember at the end of this video. The death of me. Literally, I've been getting every red light, if not like 9 out of 10 of them. Like, it's ridiculous. Don't miss living up here, but so excited for the new tires. So, onward we will go. 10 red lights later, I'm still only a town over. But yeah, This is Safeway where we used to have car meets when it was first rebuilt. It was fun because they had a parking garage underneath. I still don't know if you guys can even hear me at all. But we're making it. Peeking in on people. I'm filming you. What are you doing? I am driving the school bus. So we have made it to Home Depot. This has become our favorite spot. Great day. It's been a long day. We have not had enough food at all, but just super happy to have the family with me. I need to get used to looking at you guys and being in the videos more rather than just having a camera on my face, but I'm trying to do this more. You'll definitely see this more on our trip that we're gonna take, and yeah, I don't know. Let's keep on keeping on. Alright, so we have just made it home. Essentially, my wife and son got home before I did, but I stopped at my friend's. It was good seeing him. Didn't realize he actually hasn't seen the school bus since it was yellow. It is now like 8 o'clock. I was thinking that we were gonna get home at like 5. It's 8. But I'm gonna go in, have some dinner with the family. And yeah, if you guys like more Skoolie stuff, like I'm not gonna necessarily show you guys the build because we're on a time crunch, but I will show you guys as much as I can when I can.